Hi guys, in this video it's another AI video. Another AI will write your high content book. This one is a little bit different. It creates a 30,000 word book. You can pay $7.95 if you want the full book. I just use the demo in this. Or there's a monthly subscription where you pay $35 and you get, I think, was it 7 books? You can generate 7 books in that month. As always with these videos, do your own research and look into it, look into the company. I just signed up and used the free demo. Got a 2,000 word book from it. I say a book, it's the start of a book. Now, I'd never heard of this company. It's BookAutoAI. I only discovered because I was looking for ideas to make a video for today, and that popped up in... I'll bore you with the details. I use vidIQ sometimes to help with video ideas. And this BookAutoAI popped up. Never heard of it. I thought I'd give it a go. So I pressed record before I'd even done anything on the website. So you'll be learning along with me as we go. And there's not much to learn, to be honest. It was fairly simple and straightforward. So yeah, just a reminder and a disclaimer. Do your own research. Check the company out, check the details out. And see if it's the right fit for you. This video is neither an endorsement of the company or actually the idea of using AI for high content books. So yep, enough of that nonsense. Let's get on with the video. And this is the page you're confronted with when you go to BookAutoAI. This here is illustrative, I imagine, because every time you refresh the page, it does different numbers. So I don't know what this is. And if we scroll down, we can see comparisons with others. Obviously, they come out with all the best marks. I don't know how accurate these are, but it's there for you to look at. That's the free sample that I've tried there. So these are the pricing. So it says it costs $4 to $5 per book, per 30,000 words. All of these. Right, so it is very, obviously, this is overtly targeting KDP with the keywords and the bestseller categories, specifying that it's KDP safe. Other softwares, I don't know what softwares they're comparing themselves to. And here's a little FAQ. There's not a huge amount of information in these. So they created BookAutoAI specifically tailored towards KDP. Do we own the rights? Yes. Yes, basically. And obviously free. Feel free to read that at your own pace. So these are the pricing standards. So it charges you per month rather than per book. $35 for 7 books, which is 210,000 words. So let's see what happens when we sign up. So I've just signed in to BookAutoAI, and I'm confronted by this freaky little buffoon. Just follow along as I do this and we'll see what happens. So let's fill in subtitle. Always a warning sign. Subtitled, eh? So, for a book name, let's try and do a fiction book. So we'll call it... Oh no, it says non-fiction style there. So no, we'll do a fiction book. In fact, we'll do a similar title to the last time. So, Prayers for a Troubled World. And for the subtitle, there you go. We'll do it as a self-help. And the author name will be Templeton Peck, who of course was Face from the A-Team. It needs my details too. And I heard about them on YouTube, I suppose. Now create the book. Now apparently this thing can do up to 30,000 words at one time. The Plottybot did 51,000. But we'll see how it goes. So it says it's going to send me an email when it's done. So we'll check back in when the email arrives. So here is the book. It didn't take very long to arrive, maybe 2 minutes. So we'll have a quick scroll through. 18 pages. I don't know the word count yet, but you can edit it in Google Docs. So let's have a scroll through here. So there's a copyright page, first edition, printed in the US. Details that you can all change, of course. From what I found out, this website was only made in like the back end of last year. So very, very new still. And I did a little bit of Googling in the 2 minutes that I had between book order and book delivery. And one website I came across was from the creator of this, apparently. And he says that he uses this to... He created this technology, this AI, to write books for his own KDP account. So there's the introduction. The text is all centerized, which I don't know whether that really has a place in books like this. Should it be all aligned to the left? Again, it's something we can edit. I'll just scroll slowly so you can read it if you want to. Now, one thing I am noticing is that the language isn't too florid or ornate or overly flowery. Plottybot was a little bit overwritten. The word meticulous was used 36 times, I think, in the book that were generated there. But the book was 50,000 words, and I'm still working my way through it. It's full of good stuff, so the information's there, just the writing style's a little bit too fancy. Again, that could just be a prompting thing, but yeah, this seems to be a lot more easy to read, a lot more simple. So there's the table of contents. Again, because this is a demo, it's only going to be a fraction of this book. Like, we're already halfway through it, and we're still on the contents page. But from glancing through, it looks like it's got a good structure to the book. You can't tell what it's like until you read it, though, obviously. And here's the book proper right. So the alignment is better. And just scroll slowly-ish, so you can pause it if you want to. And read it, see what text is coming out. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It looks nice and simple. It was generated very quickly. And the contents page is an indicator of what the book would be like structurally. It looked pretty good. So that's the end of the book. So you can get 15 chapters. You know, when you subscribe, you can unlock the ability to create 15 chapters. And the book over 100 pages long. Finish our book with one-time purchase. So it looks like you can buy the books individually or pick a plan. So we'll see what this one-time purchase is. Right, so it looks like you can buy a book for $7.95. Tax, of course, is a possible addition to that. Card deals there. I'm not going to buy it at the minute. I am just going to keep with the demo. But it's nice to know that option's there, so you don't have to sign up for a month. You can buy one book, see what it's like, and if you like it, then sign up for more. And this is the book in Google Docs. So let's do a quick word count. So there's 2,100 words, which for free, you know, these words are useless technically, but for free it's not bad. And it's just going to be the same as we saw there, but of course you can edit it. If you see things you don't like, or you want to add things, or you want to change the formatting. For example, I don't like this stuff in the middle. So we'll shift it over. There, if we like. So yeah, it's just another option for AI to write your books. You know, it's not only is AI coming after the colouring book artists, it's now focusing in on ghostwriters. But you know, it's a tool that's there. It's up to us if we want to use it or not. I just thought I'd show you this one because, like I said in the introduction, I'd never heard of it. I stumbled over it by accident. It seems to be fairly new, just 2 months old, the website. And it looks, the output here, and that's all I can go on, the output here, seems perfectly fine. So not overly flowery language, quite simplistic. I don't like that. Can I delete him? Yes. Perfect. Another tick for the BookAuto AI. Right, that's it for today's video. Use the free demo if you want to see what it's like. BookAutoAI.com. I'll link to it in the description. Again, it's not an affiliate link. It's not an endorsement. Just go and have a play with it if you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.